Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my most recent product haul, makeup, perfume and some other products. Now if you want to see the products I have here, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. Okay guys, so I just recently got back from a meeting and I had these products. I wanted to take them out and I said no, I need to make this video first just to show you guys what I have. So I have been hearing of this Marketsquare here in Asaba because ShopRite moved out of the Asaba Mall, and then I had been seeing that Marketsquare logo. It's like Marketsquare is taking over that particular mall where ShopRite was, the shop itself. So you can imagine my shock when I discovered that Marketsquare already has a big shop here in Asaba along the express road. So I went there. I got this Nivea Pearl and Beauty body roll-on antiperspirant. This is the black pearls and perfume oils. Now previously this particular roll-on used to come with a black cap, but now I think I will just try and insert a picture somewhere, but now it has like a blush pink cap and I had been looking for it. So I was looking at it that day. I was like, why is this strange? And I read it and saw that it's the black pearls. Oh, I've missed it so much. So I have this now. I got, as usual, my Sure Invisible on Black and White. I'm also looking for the green one, Sure Cotton or something along those lines. I still want to get that as well. I just have my receipt here because the prices of these things were shocking. The Nivea roll-on I got for 2,085 naira. The Sure 5,115 naira. Sure has gone back to 5,000, or this particular shop, their price is something else. And then I got my Nivea Nourishing Cocoa body lotion. This is like one of the major things that I got. I was like, okay, the price is fair. This one was going for 4,470 naira. This is like my daily body lotion. I use this together with any baby oil, Angels, Pears, Boots, Cosins, any baby oil. I just mix together, or during the Harmattan season I mix, and then during the well season I just rub like that. And then I got my Dettol Cool antiseptic antibacterial soap. This is not antiseptic, I think it's because I found this is an antibacterial soap. Dettol Cool. I wanted to actually get the pack, but I don't know what happened that day. They had the other Dettol variants or variations, but even this Cool self, it was just at the side. I think maybe probably from the finished pack. So I got this. And then of course I got my pack of Paloma. If you're a young girl, stop rolling tissue and dropping in your handbag. It's not sanitary. Get you a pack. Paloma is like the most common tissue paper, pocket tissue. You have 10 in this. I've already opened it because I took one out. I got this pack of Paloma for, I'm just trying to go through now to see. I got it for 3,625 naira. That is for pack of 10. That is like 36 naira, 25 kobo per one, which is very, very fair if you ask me. And then whenever I go to shops that have perfumes, I always like to try particular perfumes, cheaper ones, because I like to have like my day-to-day perfumes. I have, through doing this, I have come to discover some really, really good gems in the perfume world, whatever it's called. That's why I discovered my Betray on Eternal perfume. And then I saw this one, Mountain Rose Red. This was going for 6,375 naira. This is the Fine Perfumery Mountain Rose Red Natural spray. They also have the Mountain Rose Pink, but they didn't have a tester with this, so I was able to perceive it, and I discovered that okay, this Mountain Rose Red, the fragrance notes are more like my preferred notes. I'm going to leave the notes somewhere here or here, anywhere. You just see somewhere on the screen. And this is how the bottle looks like. Very beautiful. This is 50 ml. Very beautiful, very bougie. This smells so nice. Ooh, the scent, eh? Let me just spray some of that. Ooh, I love so much. So I have this. I just want to try to see how long it lasts, because it's not just about getting perfumes, it's just how long they last throughout the day. The perfume can last between 8 to 10 hours for me. I'm very, very okay with it for the price, right? Not all of us have 200,000, 500,000 buying perfumes. And then I visited the Zaron shop here in Asaba and got some things. I also have my receipt from the Zaron shop. I got this Zaron Maxi Blend Compact Powder. It looks just like this. I have always seen this powder, but somehow I never just gravitated towards it. And I have used the Zaron Brownskin and the Zaron Mattifying Powder, so I don't know why I have not tried this before. So you can imagine my, just like this has a black casing. You can imagine my shock when I discovered that this is like a full coverage powder, kind of like powder foundation-ish. And I got it in the shade XZ25. This powder is really, really beautiful. Like Zaron, they know their onions when it comes to powders and foundations. So I got that. I got once more my Zaron HD liquid liner. I told you guys that I'm trying to take a break from the pen liners because they dry out on me so much, especially during this hot period. So liquid liner is easier for me to just manipulate and use. So I got this. I also got my Zaron lengthening mascara. This is like the major mascara I use. I have tried the Zaron volumizing mascara. I have tried the Zaron flash something. I have tried the Zaron XOXO. I have tried a lot of Zaron mascaras, and I just keep coming back to this. So I got this. And then I got the Zaron lip oil in Maize. I used to own the Zaron lip oil in Haze, and Maize is just like a nude color, while the Maize is like a nude color and the Haze is like a light pink color. That's just the difference right there. Let's open this up on camera. When I did my lip gloss collection, I discovered that I really do like this Zaron lip oils. Like, I'm more partial. Oh wow, this is strange. The name is only on the packaging. So if I peel, okay, not okay. You can take this out. Okay, I'll remove that. Oh, it's just the ingredient list that is on the packaging. I was scared. I thought it was the name of like Zaron itself. Okay, so when I did that, my lip gloss collection, I did discover that I like this Zaron lip oil a little. Like, I like it, not as much as my luxurious lip gloss, but this one I did like it, and I was running out of it. So when I got there, they didn't have this maize. They had another shade that was really pinky, and then this maize. So I decided to get the maize. I'm just going to, I think they have about 5 or 6 of these different shades. So I want to build up that lip oil collection. And these are all the things I recently hauled. Things are getting more and more expensive, and I just thought to stock up on the things that I felt I really needed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remember blessed. Bye guys.